Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about my Coach purse. It's very cute. I just got it and I decided to use it to go up to the hospital for my mother, so I'm about to change things over. I love this purse, but can I stuff a lot of crap in there? No. It's quite heavy, but I got my cell phone there, my wallet, my little Tide pen to go. I got my other phone. So yeah, I figured I would show you what's in this teeny tiny purse that I had to have. It's the Ashton shoulder bag. Actually, I'm gonna go through these front pockets first. I'm gonna hold it up. Oh, this is my Bath and Body Works Disney Princess one, and this is Cinderella. Actually, this is like one of my favorite ones. Kind of wish they would bring that back. Is there anything in that pocket? No. Okay. So I'm gonna go with this pocket here. Okay. These are my keys to the vehicle. Put those right there. Is there anything else in this pocket? I don't think so. Okay. So now I'm gonna go into the actual bag. Y'all already seen this. My Tide pen to go. My cell phone, one of them. Okay. My vape. Okay. My Disney Princess Long Fly wallet. She's very cute. I'm not gonna go through her. I have a lip gloss. This is by the Lancome. I believe Paris Hilton did a collab with them. I think at one time. I got another cell phone that I use every day. Holy shit. That's the most fastest what's in my bag video. But yeah, now that she's all cleaned out, now I can add it to my other purse that I use almost every single day. So yeah. Shit. It just fell. Okay, anyways, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.